Don't worry, we gonna get it together. We gonna get it together.
Take it of me. Talk all day, then at night, falling deep. Stimulate me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Xanthe Naomi, and in today's video, we're gonna spend a few days getting this together because this right now is a no. So today I'm gonna do my lashes and my eyebrows because oh child, they need some help, okay? And I haven't done my lashes in like, I want to say almost 3 weeks. I started doing my lashes myself I think in July or August, and ever since then I've just been repeatedly doing it like every 2-3 weeks. So I decided to give them a break and you know, whatever. Even though I've been looking like a whole damn mole rat out here. Anyway, so yeah, today I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my lashes. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna get my nails done. Like, they're in desperate need of being done, okay? This is like the longest my nails have ever lasted. It's been like a month almost, pretty much. So today I have to remove them because the person that I'm going to says that she doesn't work over other people's work, which is fine. I'll take them off. I don't really know how to, but we're just gonna go with the flow or whatever. So eyebrows, eyelashes, tomorrow hair, nails, and you guys are gonna come along with me for the whole thing. So yeah, let's get into it.
This here is also true for you. It's not like everything I do you're used to. I ain't here, it's always about you. It's like I got it right, I'm feeling inside. So used to think I'm confident. Is this gonna last? All the pedestal, I'm moving too fast. I feel like I'm in crazy competition with the past. All I gotta last, anything I'm doing.
Tomorrow I'm gonna do my hair and get my nails done. Good night guys, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning guys. Today is the next day or whatever, and today I'm gonna do, like I said last night, I'm gonna finish my hair and go and get my nails done. But first, let's do something with this because I can't go out looking like this, okay? Period. So let's get that done and then we can worry about the nails later.
So used to think I'm confident. Is this gonna last? All the pedestal, I'm moving too fast. I feel like I'm in crazy competition with the past. All I gotta last, anything I'm doing. Reversible. Just pain, that's why it hurts to
washed my hair and it's looking like slage already. Like, before I even put on any of my wigs, I always pluck it, do my part, pluck my part, style my hair how I want it to be styled. Like, as you can see, it's already curled, and I just made sure I like how it looks before I apply it, if that makes sense. I just basically do everything before I apply it. This install only took about 45 minutes, 50 the most, and I would say that's a record. Like, 45 minutes. Okay. This wig was 28 inches. The bundles were 28 inches, and I cut this down to like, I cut like 4 inches off this wig. So yeah. And this frontal was like 20, but I personally think it was like 16 if you ask me, because this frontal is really short. If you are trying to teach yourself how to do frontals, I strongly recommend that you watch a ton of videos. I probably watched over 100 videos. I'm not even kidding. Nobody gets anything on the first try. The first time I did my frontal, it was a huge accomplishment for me because I never thought I could do it. And really, when I started doing frontals, I started with sew-ins. So I used to sew in my bundles on myself and apply my frontals myself. Like, everything I did was myself. It used to take me hours because I didn't want to wear a wig because I felt back then that it wasn't secure. But girl, now my thoughts have changed. Sis is secure. She's very secure. So I recommend watching like a ton of videos, practicing. You're not gonna perfect your craft if you don't practice. So the more you practice, the better. I don't have a tutorial, but if you guys want that, let me know. And like, would you like it in depth? So like the bleaching process, the plucking process, how I style it on the mannequin, styling, how to decide the right foundation to apply, the ball cap method. Like, do you guys want an in-depth video about that? You can let me know in the comments down below. I don't even know what time it is, but I'm gonna let this sit for like maybe an hour, and then I'll come back, apply the got2b spray, and then put my head wrap. I don't know, I'm gonna put that back on, and then it should be about time for me to go to my nail appointment, and I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, I'm about to head out to go get my nails done. Because I'm wearing black and my hair is dark, it's like hard to see, but these are how my nails are looking before. Let's see what it looks like after, so I'll see you guys out there. guys, so I just got back home from getting my nails done. As you saw, if you liked the video, don't forget to like the actual video, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Like, what are you doing? But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.